kailangan natin ng 8 bilyon sa marami pang ibang bagay. At isa nga ba ito sa uunahin dapat ng Kongreso? Congress, in the exercise of its wisdom, shall decide on this matter in regard to the 2025 budget.
So isa yun sa titingnan nyo kung may pwedeng pagkunan just in case ma-approve nyo ito before the year ends?
Hindi lang pwedeng pagkunan, popondohan nga ba? You have to understand, government is actually about allocating scarce resources. If we are able to allocate scarce resources, then we govern properly. Allocating scarce resources means prioritizing certain budgetary expenditures over others. So yan ang isang titimbangin, pagdedesisyonan, pagpapasyahan, hindi lamang ng Senado, pati na rin ng Kongreso.
Before RG, nag-appeal po ba ang Secretary Chodoro na increase yung budget allocation para sa AFP Modernization Program?
Hindi. Ang kanyang inapila ay kung maaari, wag naman sa program fund. Dahil covered na ng kanilang magiging mga MICA, yung kanilang mga in-order na modern equipment para sa ating Armed Forces of the Philippines. At natalakay din pala namin, yung mga makabagong ideya niya kaugnay ng pag-raise ng funds para sa MUP gamit ang mga pag-aari at ari-arian ng AFP at gayon din yung pag-raise ng pondo para sa modernization sa pamamagitan ng private bonds na mga bangko, pribadong bangko mag-i-issue upang hindi ito dagdag ng pabigat sa budget ng pamahalaan.
So magbebenta ng government property, sir?
Bahagi yun sa nais nilang tingnan para mapondohan ng MUP. Hindi government properties, yung mga kampong sobrang laki na hindi naman ginagamit, na daang hektarya ang sukat at ang laki.
Like what, sir? May na-mention.
Hindi niya nabanggit ng partikular.
Okay, RG.
Sir, yung dun sa balikan ko yung dun sa ROTC, so categorically, can you say, can we afford the ROTC program or not?
Right now, it will be tough. That's as far as I can say. It will be tough, especially given the other expenditures government needs to allocate funds for in the coming year, given even the elections. But to give you an idea of what Congress will be weighing in deciding certain matters, 27 billion or 8 billion a year can actually fund a lot of things in the Department of Health, in the Department of Education, with the SUCs, with the Pantawid program. And if you look at it too, next year we will be footing a huge bill, which is more or less 50 billion pesos. Actually, ang rough cost sa i-elect natin next year na mga posisyon, 50 billion ang gagastusin natin hanggang dun sa barangay elections kung hindi mapopostpone sa December of next year.
Sir, is the cost enough for Congress to want to say no to the bill completely?
I don't know, but you already know my position insofar as that bill is concerned.